First, add some text or shape onto a new layer. Select the paint bucket tool and a nice dark color. Next, select the background and use the paint bucket tool to apply this color. Right click on your text or object and select blending option. Check bevel and emboss, and from the style, select inner bevel. You can adjust the depth of your bevel, the direction, you can change the overall size, and you can even soften the bevel. You can try out a few of the glass contours just by clicking the presets, and you can adjust the opacity of the highlights and shadows. Next, we're going to check contour, and you can customize this further. And I'm going to shape this into a wavy bend. And now I'm going to check in a glow. I'm going to change the blending mode to overlay, change opacity, and then I'm going to pick a color. These are the settings I'm using. If you like to follow along. Select the background, add new layer, and under the paint bucket tool select the gradient tool. Pick a nice colorful gradient, and then we'll drag this from one corner to other, and then select your glass layer and bring the fill all the way down to 0. So that's how to create glass effect in Photoshop. If you enjoyed this video, why not to like it, subscribe, ring the bell for more videos. Take care, and I'll see you next time.